MediaMarkt is the continent's leading consumer electronics retailer. Our mission is to offer our customers a seamless shopping experience. Partnering with Samsung was a natural choice for us. The technology enhances what we do across our stores and online. We recognize that digital transformation is a cost-effective way to boost productivity. We needed user-friendly devices with a robust management solution.
MediaMarkt had specific requirements, including business-tailored add-ons such as extended warranties and full security support beyond mobile devices. The solution was Samsung Galaxy Enterprise Edition.
Samsung's Enterprise Edition package includes a 1-year license for Knox Suite, a 2-year product lifecycle, and a 3-year warranty. Samsung devices are secured from the chip level up with Knox, and the Enterprise Edition includes a security maintenance release for up to 7 years.
Samsung devices have revolutionized daily tasks. The S23 or S24 have made work easier. These devices are powerful with excellent features that simplify customer interactions.
Samsung DeX built into our Galaxy devices helps us to perform tasks directly from the device.
The Galaxy AI Interpreter feature allows us to interact with customers in real time, overcoming language barriers effortlessly.
MediaMarkt uses third-party EMM for device management. With Knox Suite, they can gain better insights and control.
By adding the Knox Suite on top of our EMM, we've seen big improvements. Knox Suite gives us a comprehensive overview of app usage, security vulnerabilities, and more, ensuring our work apps run smoothly. Knox Suite has dramatically improved efficiency and strengthened our cybersecurity. We also receive fast professional assistance via enterprise technical support.
We have seen how powerful Samsung solutions are, and we confidently recommend them to our customers. Collaborating with Samsung is a game changer.